How to go live on Lemon8. Now, as we all know that this specific feature on Lemon8 does not actually exist. But on this video, I'm gonna just be showing you alternative ways or options in which you can still open up or share the videos that you have in Lemon8. So basically, Lemon8 is actually operated by TikTok. However, they have this different, features that the TikTok has and Lemon8 does not have. So what you can do is just choose on any specific platforms which a live streaming is available. For example, TikTok, maybe Facebook, or maybe YouTube. Now just heading over directly to your director's studio and then just, customize the pages and the tabs that you can open while the live stream is running. Now on your Lemonade videos, you just have to locate those videos in each of the tabs that you have in live stream so you can have or take a chance in showing on your videos from Lemonade and also worked as kind of like a live stream. So that's the alternative way for you to be able to go live on Lemonade.